Hello. Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, I hope you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss about branches, right? Yeah. So let me check. Okay. Now access dev.azure.com. Okay. First, I'm going to discuss about what? How to maintain the branches. Okay. Try to create one project. Okay. Hyphen project 2. Okay. Create it. Okay, yeah, next. Go to repos. Initiate the repos. Okay, see by default, these are what? Main repository. Okay, for example, I'm going to upload one project. Uh, yeah, new file, drag and drop. Yes. So same way, try to change the file name index-1.html, drag and drop. Okay, two files I have uploaded. Okay, now what I will do now, I will go and create my own branch. Okay, so anyhow, you will not able to modify the changes on directly master branch or main branch. Directly, you cannot modify changes on main branch or master branch. So here I will go and create new branch. The branch name is Dana icon branch. Okay, so what will happen now? Entire this code, it will be imported into Dana branch. Okay, now I am going to create another branch. The branch name is Shaker branch. Shaker branch. Yes. Okay, Shaker branch, Dana branch. Now what I will do now, go to Dana branch. I will go and modify in index.html. Okay, in index.html, let's see. Okay, changes. Okay, changes. Okay, yes. Sorry. Dana. Okay, where did I do? In Dana branch itself. Now go to Shaker branch. Okay, yeah. Next, edit. Changes done by Shaker. Something else. Okay, if I go and observe main branch, you don't see these changes. See, we have only two lines of code. Got it? Assume that my name is Shekhar, someone name is Shekhar, my name is Dana, someone name is Shekhar. So I want to push my changes into main branch. Okay, to do that, navigate to pull request. I'm going to create pull request, new pull request. Okay, to where? Dana branch to main
Main.
branch. Okay, if you want to give the approval for reviewer, I can mention someone approval. Your team lead, your project manager, your tower lead, whoever is. Once he will review the code changes, then he will approve. Your changes would be merged to main branch. Okay, I do not want any reviews created. Okay, here approve, complete. Now changes, Dana changes have been moved toward main branch. Now navigate to repos, go to main branch. See index.html. See Dana changes done by Dana. Okay, guys. Now from here, if people can, what is that? Build and release it. I will create only build pipeline. Anyhow, you know that already release pipeline. Yeah, add, save and so currently we are running the build pipeline on main branch. Okay, now I would like to move, what is that? Changes from Shaker branch to main branch. How can I do that? Go to Shaker branch. Okay, yeah, repos. This is the one. Now navigate to pull request. Create pull request. So this time Shaker branch to what? Main branch. Okay, create. Yes, approve it. Merge conflicts. So there is a conflict. So we need to approve it to conflict these things. 1 option, it is disabled. Now go and check, let us check where the changes have been made. Should move to, yeah, another code, right? Okay. Uh, Approve it is not taking, but in real time, no, when you merge it, you will get that reviewer can approve that request to merge all these branches and all that. Now, what I will do now, I will try to create another branch. Okay, yeah. Now, this is the branch, right? I am going to create another branch, my branch. Create it. Okay, I am going to update some changes. I am doing it in my branch. Okay, H1, welcome. Okay, yeah, commit. Yes. Okay, now what I will do now, go to pull request. Okay, my branch. You have updated my branch. Create pull request. My branch. So my branch to main branch. Just create. Why it's not taking. Tanshikar ready process to match. It's upload. The match conflicts are coming. One match is that. It's not allowing me to edit. 1 second, I am checking. Maybe I'll check if you have any approval. See, you'll get the pull request. email trigger, guys. Now we will check. Why it is not giving.
మళ్ళీ ఇస్తా వచ్చిన తర్వాత
Second, guys, there was some changes. At least we should get delete option. Okay. Let me create another repository. Here only we can create. We'll check repos. Here I am going to create new repository. The repository name is some project, PWC project. Okay, try to delete all these things. Okay, now try to upload the file. Okay, upload it. Okay, now I am going to create one new branch, some shaker branch, upload it. Okay, if I try to modify something else, edit, I am going to delete this line, commit. Okay, I have deleted. Okay, when I go for main branch, we have two lines of the code. When I go for shaker branch, we have one line of the code. Let us try to match it. Okay, now how we can match? Go to pull request. Okay, currently no pull request needed your attention. There is a update, create new pull request. From to where to here, shaker to main branch. Now just create. See here, complete option should be displayed. Yeah, complete. Okay, so complete association work items after merging. Yes, it's done. Merging the pull request. If I go and verify main branch, go to main branch, the changes should be reflect. See, okay. Now what I will do now, I will create another branch, new branch, from where I am going to import test branch. I am giving what? Test branch. Okay, I am creating myself. Create it. What I will do, I will remove or I will add another line of code. Edit. Okay, or else I will remove all these code. Only two lines of code. Commit. Yes, commit it. Okay, now create pull request. I am creating test branch from where I have modified the code. Now you should move to main branch. Go to pull request, new pull request. So this time test to main branch, create. See, complete option should be appear. Due to some reason where it is not appearing, just click on it. Complete associated work items after merging. If you observe this line, what it is saying, here I have modified, again it is merging to main branch. Okay, yeah, complete merge. Okay, we have merged. Now, if I go on the verify main branch, you could see only two lines of code. See only two lines of code. Okay, now again try to create another branch. Okay, STG branch. I am giving SZ branch means stage branch. Yes, I have created. Now click on edit. Edit. I am giving welcome.
H1 tag, sir.
Sorry.
Tag without tag name, you're right.
Yeah, yeah, fine. Okay, yeah, commit. So what is the branch name? SD branch, stage branch. Now I want to merge it. Okay, now navigate to pull request. See, create new pull request. SD branch to main branch. Complete. Okay, see, complete it. It should be appear due to some issues. It was not appearing in the branch. Okay, previous repository. Apply it. Yes. Suppose if you want any approval, okay, there is a see reviewer are there, right? You can add what is that optional reviewer. So once reviewer review the comments, code changes and all, he will approve it. Then automatically code changes will be moved to main branch. At this moment, I am not approving anything. I do not want any reviewer for this code. Now directly approve it. Complete. Yes, complete. Okay, see code has been matched. Now navigate to main branch. Repos, go to main branch. Okay, click on it. See, hello, welcome. Like this, we can create branches. Generally, branches will be created every resource, guys. For example, you, me, another three team members are working together for one project. So I will modify a.html. You have modified b.html. Someone modified c.html. So all these code changes, the reviewer can review, approve it. When we create all three pull requests, okay, then all three of them request and the code changes will be merged to main branch, guys. From there, build and release pipeline would be initiated. You may have query that all well and good. Can we create build and release pipelines on our own branches? I want to create build and release pipeline shaker branch. Can we do that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. I think we can
Yes,
do it.
yes, we can do that, guys. Okay, so
Usually they will release the master branch, main branch.
yeah, but production environment 100% that would be main branch. For development and all for testing purpose, we can also create build and release pipeline our own branches, guys.
Okay.
No issues. Okay, here left side there is a one option branches. See so far how many branches are?
There are only three branch, no?
Yes,
Four
three
branches.
branches I have created. Shaker,
Okay, main
test,
branch is
SD
four.
branches. Okay, so whoever having who contribute permissions on this project, they can remove these branches as well. Delete branch. So if you have many branches in the project, you may have confusion yourself. Okay, so that mainly maximum one person they can create one or two branches, guys. Okay, when you go to real-time project, then only you'll come to know few of the what is that usages, few of the difficulties, few of the product bugs and all. Okay, I have created all these branches as I have the permission. If I go for repos, you don't see remaining branches. See, I have removed. I had the permission. I had permission to remove all these branches, so I have removed. Okay, this is about what branches. Okay, guys, you got an idea how to create pull request, how to create the branches? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is
So
about
can
what?
I rebadge actually the
Sorry.
rebadge regarding the miss any changes then after another branch apply?
Yes, yes. If any team member join, he has to import the code into his branch, modify the changes, push them into main branch. Okay. Yeah. Next, another powerful, final, and important topic is what? Docker. Okay. So what is the Docker? Why should I go for Docker? Okay. What is the Docker? Very simple. Generally, if you consider, okay, okay, if you consider, I have .NET project, Java project, next Python project. Okay, to deploy variety technologies application, we need independent servers. Am I right? Yes or no? I need one server to deploy .NET application. I need one server to deploy Java application. I need another environment to deploy Python application. So here we require three web servers, three application servers or three database servers. Okay, so here it is cost. For each server, you have to pay like 5K, total 15K you have to pay for them. And also there is a what? Environment consistencies are there. I hope you know that already. One application perfectly it will work fine in stage environment. Same application if we host it into production, you may get some issues. Am I right? Environment is same, application is same, application version is same, Windows version is same, and the web server version is same. Everything is same. Still, you may experience some issues. Yes or no, guys? That is, we can call it as environment inconsistencies. To avoid all these issues, Docker came into the picture. Okay, but unfortunately, Docker is not using nowadays. Everyone, people are using Kubernetes, guys. Base of Kubernetes is what? Docker. Okay, yeah. So, what is the Docker? Docker is a open source platform where we can build, develop, ship the running application is called Docker. I am repeating, what is the Docker? Docker is a open source platform where we can build, develop, ship the running application is called Docker. Okay. Dockers enable you separate from your infrastructure. So your application will not depends on infrastructure. There is no application dependency on infrastructure. There won't be any application inconsistencies. There won't be application inconsistencies. Clear? Okay, so same application, if we move to stage or production and our dev environment, 100% it should work. Okay, we can maintain all environment in consistencies. Okay, that is the power of Docker. So you know, right? For documentation nowadays, every company they are providing one URL. Okay, so what is the URL for Docker? Docs.docker. This is the official URL. If you are working on Docker, 100% you people should come here and verify all these things. Okay, I am pinging in the chat. Okay, now get started. This is the exact definition. Okay, what is the definition? Docker is a open source platform for developing, shipping, running the instances, running the applications. Clear? So Docker enables you separate your application from infrastructure. What is the advantage, guys? Because of this point, so we can maintain what is that environment consistencies. Okay, so same application, if you move to stage production or any other environment, you will not get any environment related issues. Okay, so using Docker, we can quickly develop and deploy the applications. Okay, so here, if we install the Docker, on top of the Docker, we can host what is that? N number of applications, Java, .NET, PHP, Python, Ruby, whatever applications we want. So all these applications are running on only single mission. So maintenance cost has been reduced. Okay, maintenance cost has been reduced. Okay, so as you said, Docker is a open source platform that can be installed on Windows, that can be installed on Linux, that can be installed on Mac operating system. Mac operating system. Okay, yeah. Next, what is that? Docs.docker. Now, if I go for download and install, see, okay, Docker is available for Linux, Docker is available for Windows, Docker is available for Mac. I will show you how to install and configure the Docker on Linux machine. Okay, so mostly we will use Linux machine, guys, for Docker, Kubernetes, and all. Okay, so uh, there is a installation of Docker on top of physical machine. There is a another way of Docker, install the Docker on top of virtual machine, both. Clear? Okay, now have a look. I have one PPT, let them present.
Shekhar, if it is possible, can we go with the Windows platform rather than Linux?
Yeah, we'll see. Both.
Thank you. Also, maybe after presentation, so can you just explain like what could be the infrastructure level differences that you were talking about for different environments?
Environment means we had the real-time experience, you'll come to know that. Actually, before deploying to the production, no, so we will test it out everything in stage environment. Okay,
Correct.
what is the stage and production? Replica of stage only production, right?
That's correct. Yeah.
Yes. So if the application is working fine, exactly what you are expecting in stage, same application if you deploy into the prod, no, there you will get some issues, unknown
Mm.
issues. Okay,
Correct.
that we cannot expect it. So such kind of issues won't be occur in Docker.
Okay.
Okay, that is the one advantage. Next, have a look. What is the traditional infra? This is the Docker. So what is the traditional infrastructure that we have followed just now? See, this is the traditional infrastructure. Installation configuration, we have to do that. Am I right? Okay.
Yeah.
So there is a dev, stage, production, installation of the dev environment, stage and production. It is time consuming process. See, need platform installation configuration on every server, every environment. Okay, compatibility and dependency. This is what I am talking. Okay, some application, if it is working fine in what is that stage environment, same application, it won't work on production environment. Okay, see
Sir,
inconsistencies. Yeah.
is there any real-time example for that inconsistency? It is not working in working in staging and not working in development.
We cannot predict, guys, those things.
Okay.
That's what I am saying, right? When you are really working in real-time projects and all, that all will come to know that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. There could be many reasons. There would be application compatibility issues or environment compatibility issues. Okay. Best example, sometimes if you are migrating, what is that? Application from lower environment to higher environment. Okay, then you may get some compatibility related issues, so that you should work with development team. That all we cannot predict it, so we cannot expect these issues will come only when you move it to production. That all totally depends on environment to environment.
Okay, sir. If they ask in interview how to answer this one, sir?
Yeah, that case application related environment issues we got it, so we work with the application development team and resolve it. Such
Okay, sir.
like that you have to cover.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, next. Now see inconsistencies across environment. There is no consistency. Inconsistencies means the application behavior would be different in stage to production. Okay, so operational support. We need to provide the support for different environments. Server support, hardware support, software support. Okay, and the patching related, many things are there. You know, right? Patchings. Every software they are releasing the patches. Am I right? Nowadays, what will happen now? Whatever the patches they are going to release, automatically it will get installed in our machine. They are trying to give the patches without server reboot. They are rectifying that issue. So when the feature come into the picture, more Windows team, more Linux teams are not required. Many people are not required. Why? Because automatically they are pushing the changes. Automatically they are pushing the changes. It is updating. Okay, best example in our mobile, you are using one app. You may get alert. There is a new version of app. Okay, when you install that app, is it asking any reboot in mobile device? No, right? Sir, no. Have you observed? You are using mobiles, right? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
We observed that.
It is not asking your mobile reboot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Majorly, if they launched any OS level related patches, then after installing those patches, it is asking your mobile device reboot. That would be there. Am I right?
Yes, sir. For
Same way,
Android
they are
upgrade,
implementing.
nowadays also it is we are supposed to reboot for Android update.
Yes, yes. For Android level patches and all, it is asking to reboot sometimes. Okay, application related changes and all, it is not at all required. Am I right? Same way here, what they are going to initiate, this is a new innovation from Microsoft. So patches may not require downtime. That is how in the plan. Okay, that's why it is taking latest patches automatically inbuilt. Okay, not sure how much it will success, we have to wait and see. Next, developer environment. So when for developer environment we have to create many developer environments. Each environment we have to set up for or associated for new developer. Okay, yeah. Next, so difference between physical machine and virtual machines. Physical, what does it mean, guys? What is the physical machine? Your laptop is a physical machine. Am I right? Virtual machine means virtual machine will be deployed on hypervisor technologies. This is Microsoft. What does AWS use? Any idea? AWS using which terminology? VM
VMware.
diagrams. Okay, on top of hypervisor, we can create a number of virtual machines. On top of it, you people can install what? Operating system, then Docker. Forget about Docker, we'll come to that later. Okay, here have you observed hardware, hypervisor, then operating system, and installing all dependency libraries. Okay, yeah. Next, physical machine, install physical machine, install Docker on top of physical machine. Have you observed in between hardware, your application, there would be another layer called Docker. Docker, it will act as a mediator. Okay, yeah. See, hardware on top of it, you'll install operating system. Here, operating system might be what? Windows, Linux. Other one is what? Mac operating system. On top of it, we are installing the Docker, then creating container. Clear? Here, Docker container. Okay, Docker images, container images. They are technical words, guys. Okay, and each container, it will run one application. Each container, it run one application. See, in this container, web server is running. In this container application, in this container database. So there won't be a overlap between these containers. Here, container in the sense, you know, right? If you consider one ship, in the ship, we will have n number of container, each container which carries the different product. Okay, I can say from Germany, we can import BMW, Audi cars. Yes or no? Okay, yeah. So some another container, we will import some bikes. That's what when you go for in Google. Okay, go for Google. Just type container. Go for images. See, you will get these images. Okay, one ship will carry many containers. Have you observed? Sir, no. One ship.
Yes, sir. It can contain.
Okay, in one container, it will carry BMW cars, another container Audi cars, another container what? some bikes, some another container, rise something else. Export and import will happen. So is there any overlap between containers? No. Each container on top of it, one application would be running, it won't get overlap. So all these containers are carrying by what? Any idea? All these containers carrying by what? Ship. So can I say here Docker engine?
Yes, sir.
Coming to our technical, we can call it as Docker engine. Docker engine carrying the all these container, each container running on top of what? One application. Clear? Okay. Best example, Telugu movie Pushpa ఉందా? Pushpa movie చూసారా? Pushpa movie లో they are carrying two items in same container. Sorry, one lorry is there. There is a one tanker. On top of the tanker, they divided into two containers. In one container, they used to carry milk. Another container, red sandals. Am I right? They will do smugglings. Is there any overlap between these two products? No, right? Each container having isolated product. Here I can say isolated applications. So these container carrying over there is what? Lorry engine. Here I am calling it as Docker engine. Okay, that is the real comparison. Okay, now here see, this is about what? Virtual machine with Docker. Anyhow, here mediator, hypervisor, virtual machines, then operating system, then Docker. Okay, yeah. Next, what is the advantage of the Docker? It is the flexible, lightweight, portable, loosely coupled, scalable, and high secure, guys. Okay, high secure. See, as he said, right, Docker client, it will be installed on Windows or Linux or Mac operating system. So each container, it contains one image. Here, image in the sense, assume that that is the application, guys. It is the application. As he said, they are lightweight. Okay, they are lightweight. Okay, so this is about what overview of Docker, and I will show you one real-time applications, how we can host, how we can install and configure the Docker. So the installation Docker itself, it will take 1 hour session. So how to deploy multiple application on top of the Docker, that is the coming session. Okay, I will follow this documentation. There is a documentation that you have to follow 100%. For Kubernetes, we have to use kubernetes.in. Kubernetes.io. Yeah, kubernetes.io. This is the for Kubernetes documentation. You need not search any other things. This is for Docker. This is for Kubernetes. Okay, for Terraform, terraform.io. Terraform.io. We have to follow those documentation. I will let you know one by one. So we have Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, ARM templates. These four topics are there. We'll complete one by one. Okay. Yeah. Thank you everyone. Tomorrow I will come back. Bye. Have a great day.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.